Virtual Santa is an easy-to-use DVD to create one of the most incredible and sophisticated-looking Christmas decorations. With a common home video projector, a DVD player, and the window of your choice. Simply place a video projector down on a table, or a cart, a desk, a chair, or even on the floor. Aim the video projector towards a window, such as this bay window you see here. Hang your choice of white material, ranging from a white shower curtain to a white sheet, over the window, which is shown in use here. Focus the video image onto this piece of rear screen or cloth, play the DVD, and you now have Santa Claus apparently walking inside your house. If you are big into Christmas decorations or want to put that winning touch on your display, Virtual Santa is the best new Christmas decoration you can get. Santa first appears with his bag of presents in your house to apparently put presents under the Christmas tree.
He loves Transformers.
Santa moves around the house at times carrying a candle, which he later sets down onto your windowsill. Santa even takes time to have milk and cookies. This video was very well produced, and the lighting was carefully designed by Director of Photography John Hyers, the creator of virtual effects for the Halloween and Haunted House fame.
Happy New Year!
Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas, everyone. Happy holidays. Happy holidays to everyone.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Happy holidays. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Happy New Year!
Look closely. As Santa moves about the house, he's illuminated by the light from the candle. As Santa moves about inside your house, a three-dimensional illusion is created by carefully placed movie lights on the stage set when Santa was filmed. This gives the dark room a feeling of depth. Then as Santa leans forward to look out the window, moonlight or exterior lights in your own yard appear to illuminate Santa's face as he looks out the window, adding to the three-dimensional effect. This DVD is used like all of John Hyers' holiday DVDs with a common home video projector. For windows that are not exactly the perfect shape for a projected scene, you can close the curtains down to the top of the image, or adjust where your projector is located by moving it back and forth.